I know.
And they just hear you say that.
Yeah. Real talk. That's real spill right there. No, I'm just kidding. I love to edit. Alright.
That should like flip the switch.
Alright.
In 1 mile, turn left onto US 24 North.
Sure feel shaky when I brake every time.
You gotta check your brakes.
I know. Woohoo! Woohoo!
Onto US 24 North.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Dude's going mad slow. Wow. Come on, man. Oh my god, it's a banger. You put it lightly. I don't think the phone can catch it, right?
No, you're so welcome.
Oh, that was right there, yeah. Right there, no way. Right there, no way.
In a 1/4 mile, keep right to merge onto I-94 East toward Detroit. Continue straight. Use the right lane to keep right. Keep right.
Babe, in my POV you can't see none of this on top, or you could. Okay, bet.
In about 1 mile, take exit 204 toward I-39 and I-96 East. merge onto Southfield Road. In about 1.5 miles, turn right onto Dix
Wonder
Highway.
what people think when they see me.
In 1 mile, turn right onto Dix Highway. Go past this light, then at the next one, turn right.
Someone looks like they almost
I know, right? Gonna get that to eat. And then see you there. Gonna play. They'll probably pay 20 like Kane's, huh?
At the light, turn right onto Dix Highway.
Trying to be at Honey Bee. Trying to get that Honey Bee.
In 1.2 miles, turn left onto Stewart Avenue.
Oh shit, chotas, chot. Oh shit.
I'm just trying to figure
I know. Better not be me. Oh shit, they're coming this way. Better go the speed limit. Oh
In
shit,
1
there's a
mile,
red
turn
light.
left onto Stewart Avenue.
bet. We're gonna go to a little quick Walmart run. A little quick midnight. Oh no, it's not midnight. A little quick night. It's still nighttime, right?
Yeah, it's night.
Night Walmart run. Cause we were about to get home, but we forgot we need to buy dog food. Is that it?
Yeah, dog food and because our girls need food.
3 dogs we need to get food for. The angle's good, babe.
Yeah, perfect actually.
Bet. Think of my girlfriend's eyelashes, guys. So pretty. She did it herself.
If I have my nails done.
Oh yeah, she could do her nails herself too. Really good, really good. Damn, that mug pulling. What do you mean? Banger song?
So funny.
Wait, your parents are not home? What store? Walmart? Oh.
Can you hear what the lobby's like? Yeah, that's good.
What is it called?
It's like cantina.
Oh.
It's Mexican. That shit was really good.
Think this guy wants to rent it? In the old Honda?